Here we go. Starting off with a letter-sized photocopier paper, which probably is the most common paper people are using because it's accessible and it's white like a snowflake. So you're taking the short end, the short side, and you're folding it diagonally to line up with the long side. And you can cut off this excess piece, which you can keep for making other crafts, or if I have enough of these, I'll make a notepad. So now essentially what you're starting with is a square. Ideally, if you had square paper, you would start with that. So we fold that square diagonally, then turn it around so the long edge is facing you, and you fold it in half. And then from here, you want to fold this into thirds. And it's easier if you crease this edge down here. It'll be easier to get that fold starting from that point. So just trying to get a point there, right at the point. And now you're going to use that point and try to get 3 equal shapes. Probably going to be a little bit less. Flipping it over this way is my preferred way of folding these. Essentially, you're cutting this part off. You can see that there. Then I just flip that back and cut the rest off. Now we're ready to begin. So what are we doing? Let's see. I think what we're doing is we're doing this soft curve. So now we're going to cut off all the dark areas. We'll start with down here. I'm just gonna take off a little bit of that got some markings from your pencil to remove. Now's probably the best time. And I always work away from the area rather than back this way, because you could crunch your paper. But if you and you hold the paper secure, so you're wherever you can. And when you go this way, you're kind of going off the edge, and you can hold it here. So I guess wherever you're holding it, or wherever you're erasing, make sure your finger is behind the eraser. So that's it. Let's see how it turns out. Final reveal. That's a pretty sweet flake. Sweet flakes. Start your morning with a sweet flake. Yes, I do like it. Does it spin?